All right, today I'm going to show you two methods to lace up your hiking and running shoes using what's called a runner's loop. So on a lot of trail running shoes, you have the second eyelet here, and the normal runner's loop, basically you thread the end of your lace into that eyelet on both sides. And what that does is gives you two loops here, right? So then you take your laces and cross them over each other and pass them through those loops like this. And then you take the ends of your laces, kind of work them back and forth, and that tightens up your shoe. The point of the runner's loop is to basically lock your heel in a little more. It creates some tension this way on the laces so that your heel doesn't slip as much. Once you're at this point, you just lace your shoes up like normal. Boom, ready to run. All right, second method is if you don't have this second loop here, or the second eyelet. So I'm gonna unlace those. Now this is your shoe laced up like normal. We're gonna take one lace out, like that. Now imagine there's only one eyelet here. You would just take your lace, lace it in like that. That gives you your two loops. Cross them over like before. There you go. You got yourself a runner's loop. You can mess around with tension and stuff to see what feels good for your foot, but that should give you a more secure fit. All right, see you in the next one.